If you're looking for a quick and effective way to A/B test ads, using AdCreative AI is one of the best tools available. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use AdCreative AI for A/B testing, so you can quickly optimize your ad campaigns and see better results, all while saving time. Before we dive in, you should know that you can use AdCreative AI for free with exclusive bonuses through the first link below. Stick around because I'll share how you can maximize this free trial to really boost your ad performance. AdCreative AI is a powerful platform that simplifies ad creation and testing, using artificial intelligence to generate creative variations in minutes. This means you can test different versions of your ads without having to create each one manually. It does all the heavy lifting, helping you choose the best performing creative to improve your campaigns. Here's how to A/B test ads using AdCreative AI. Once you've logged in and connected your ad accounts, you can start by choosing the goal for your campaign. Are you looking to drive traffic, sales, or awareness? AdCreative AI will take this into account and generate ad variations that align with your objectives. This is a crucial step because the right creative can dramatically increase your conversion rates. Next, you'll create the base ad by either selecting from pre-designed templates or uploading your own assets. You can input copy, choose colors, and define the visual style you want to test. The AI will automatically create different variations of this ad. This is where the magic happens. You don't need to spend hours trying to come up with new designs. AdCreative AI does it in seconds. Now comes the A/B testing part. AdCreative AI uses a smart algorithm to generate multiple ad variations based on your input, so you can run side-by-side tests. It ensures that each variation is distinct enough to see what works and what doesn't. Whether you want to test headlines, calls to action, or even color schemes, AdCreative AI gives you the flexibility to experiment and find the highest performing version of your ad. What makes this platform especially powerful is that it uses real-time performance data to help refine your ads. As your A/B tests run, you'll get detailed insights on which creative is getting the best results. This is crucial for decision making because instead of guessing what's working, you'll have concrete data to guide your next steps. It's incredibly easy to launch your A/B test directly from AdCreative AI. The software integrates seamlessly with platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, and Instagram. So once your ads are ready, you can push them live immediately. With this process, you're not just testing ads. You're optimizing them in a way that continuously improves performance over time. AdCreative AI helps you identify trends and patterns in your ads that you may not have noticed otherwise. So, if you're looking for an efficient and smart way to A/B test your ads, AdCreative AI can save you tons of time and effort while providing actionable insights. By the end of your free trial, you'll see a real difference in the performance of your campaigns. Remember, you can get access to this software with an exclusive extended free trial, only available through the link below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to optimize your ads faster and more efficiently than ever before. Start A/B testing with AdCreative AI today and take your digital marketing to the next level.